The Bat, the Birds, and the Beast. Presented by Paulo Cambal and Gian Ignacio. Taken from Aesop's fables and adapted from youtube.com/Pinkfong.
A long time ago, deep within the forest, there lived a bat. One day a battle had broken out between the beasts of the ground and the birds of the sky. The bat watched the fight to see which side would win. As soon as he saw the beasts winning, he decided to hide his wings and find the king lion. The bat said, "Your Majesty, since I resemble a land creature like a mouse, I would like to be a part of your team."
Wow, yes, I can see that. From now on, Bat, you are one of us, the lion replied.
Before long, the birds of the sky began to gain control. Now, the worried bat decided he needed to visit the king of the birds, the eagle. "Your Majesty, I too have wings of a bird. Please let me join you," the bat said. "All right, bat. From now on, you are a bird," replied the eagle. The fight between the beasts and the bird endlessly continued, and the bat continued to go back and forth, changing his position. One day, the battles were finally over, and there was peace in the forest.
King Eagle, from now on, the beast and the birds are one.
The lion said, "Yes, King Lion, we are now one family," replied the eagle. The bat, however, wasn't welcomed by either side.
"We don't want anything to do with your kind. Leave the forest." Roar!
The lion exclaimed. After the bat was shunned by the king, he had no choice but to fly off to a dark and lonely cave.